So today we're going to be swapping in some Airless tires onto our Ninebot G30 Max. Never done this before, so we'll see how well it goes. Is that Brad? That drops out the bottom. Does this brake line get a quick release on it? Oh, can that pop out? Nice. Cool.
Sweet.
For a little tire. I thought I had a smaller set of these, didn't I? No, they're at Mom's.
Yeah, I thought you did too. But...
Yeah. Well, they're not here. There she goes. All right. All right. Now for this one, if we can't just pull it out. Cool. All right. We're looking at this correctly. We're gonna shove this in here. So what we need to do is hold this. So what kind of clamps have we got? We want a small wood clamp. That blue one right there, the Irwin. Is that right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's tough. That's a tough bugger. Can we spoon it from the back? Oh. Oh. I was thinking more wide, yeah.
Yeah.
Although we kind of got to squeeze this down too. Okay. What do you got going on here? Okay. All right. Grab another one. We'll need 3 to get it on. Try and get it in there.
Yeah.
I can let off some. All right. Okay. Well, I don't think it can pop off even if we do mess something up at this point.
Yeah.
So let's just look at it and see what we're working with. All right.
Oh, that's see.
Yeah, popped it in. Not bad.
No.
All right. That one's falling out. Let me take that one out. I think I could take this off, yeah. Alright, that'll relax it a bit. Alright, so this is popped up, which is bad. Here we go. Now, this part needs to get rolled and pulled. I wonder if we can't.
Push there.
Okay. That side's done. Okay, that looks like it's in. Okay. Nope, that one's being a little tough. Almost. Okay, now one last piece. Oh, there she goes. Sucked her in. Bounced off the floor.
I want to get this front tire back. Huh?
Yeah, let's get it on and take it for a ride to see how it rides first before we get too far in this project. No, it is. It's a little more squared off.
Yeah.
I think that's just inherent because of the design of it. But yeah. Go ahead, you're jumping now? Yeah, it's really not giving at all.
No.
You know what, your weight, 240?
250.
Okay, yeah, so. Yeah, pretty stout even without air.
See all the front handles. Ooh, surprisingly smooth.
Oh, cool. I was afraid it was going to be a little eggy, but I guess not.
It feels exactly the same until you try to turn.
What's up with the turning?
It's like really heavy. It's like trying to turn a quad, you know. It's got a little...
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's completely different.
It's got some resistance to this turn, eh?
Mm-hmm. As soon as you try, you instantly notice.
Oh. But the acceleration didn't feel any different?
No, ride's completely smooth too. I was expecting to be a little bumpy, but no. Once you ride's good. Ride's a lot better than on the grass too.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. All right, let me give her a rep. What do we got? Are those security screws?
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
Alright. So,
What are we looking at? Battery controller. It's really clean in here for how many miles are on this thing?
mm-hmm. That's crazy. Alright, so we gotta plug these three.
Those are the motor controllers.
Yeah.
Motor wires. Yeah.
Then we gotta get in there and take those out.
That braided one.
Yeah. Well, people say you gotta take this out. You just need some needle nose pliers because you gotta. Easy way.
You're grabbing the right one, right?
Yeah.
It was that one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I was going to unplug the wrong one. It was all the way at the bottom. Yeah, that's not bad.
Oh, cool. These are all free.
What do you got going on over here?
Alright, so there's 2 screws. Go through.
Oh, that's a big cover just to hide the bolt, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, it could have just been.
Yeah, the small part and put the reflector on the frame.
Will you grab it? Over here. All the way over here.
There we go. Don't think we could probably do that squeeze I was just doing. Let's just see if there's any way that this can help us at all. I mean, even if we could just help guide it.
Yeah, maybe hold it right there and then.
Yeah. Because once we start ripping on it, it's going to move. Okay.
Grab this other spoon.
Yep. You going to hold that one? Okay. How many spoons do we got?
Yeah.
Like, get all 12. Okay. Well, this ain't working out too well, but we'll keep trying. Ready?
Yep.
This is gonna be the big one. There we go. All right. Oh, better still be careful though.
Yeah.
It's still half out. This one went through. This one went through too. Okay. Boom. All right. Get this one out. Popped. All right. Now we just rinse and repeat. You wanna? Can you pop this one out? We're never gonna get it. Yeah. All right. So.
Just push on that.
Push on this?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm pushing on. Am I pushing against you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It's a start.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay.
Okay. All right. There she is.
Off a rim.
Yeah, we'll see. Well, turns out, even with our best attempt to put the tire on the right way, we managed to put it on backwards. So, either we're going to be showing how to remove an airless tire from a rim here in a second, or we'll just see if it works. You know, looking at the pattern, the way it's cut, it might be a little noisy, but you're going to be hitting the back edge of these flaps, which is arguably maybe even a little better than the front. I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah. Nonetheless, that's how you put the tire on. Just make sure you put it on the right way.
Feels really smooth. Feels different a little bit. Full speed.
A little slower at full speed?
No, it feels a little different.
Oh. A little different at full speed. Sounds a little more gritty as it's turning and stuff.
Yeah, it takes some getting used to.
Here, let me get a rip. Oh, wow, that is weird. It's pretty aggressive on those turns. Holy crap.
Yeah. Oh, it's crazy.
Put that on the stock tire. Let's see what it's like full speed. Oh, move. Front brakes, a little out of adjustment.
Yeah, probably needs a little tightening.
Yeah, you can definitely tell the tires, it drives like they're way more squared off. Even when you lean into it, it doesn't want to like lay over as far. It kind of like holds it a bit more straight.
Mm-hmm.
But overall, I enjoy that more firm turning feeling it has. It's not so floaty. Like with the round tires, it's just loose as a goose, but it feels pretty grippy. So, I would call that a worthwhile upgrade. That is really cool. And then, yeah, not having to air them up all the darn time when they get problems. So, 10 out of 10 would do again.